Got the truck over there, the lifted Chevy that I used to back this boat up into the water. And then I used the boating pole to hook onto these large cleats here instead of trying to reach over with my hand off the boat. Here's the boating pole. Much safer and easier. You can use one hand, grab it here, push, pull. Made in North America. Caution, use away from body to prevent body injury. That means if you're pushing or pulling this, you don't want it in front of your stomach because it could stab you if the boat keeps moving. So you want to keep it to your side, away from your body.